Hello, students of class 2. Today we are going to do a very interesting story of the elephants and the mice. This story is from our reader book. There are two main characters, elephant and the mice. And we will learn how they both help each other in the time of need. Children, read the story again and again and try to understand it. Lesson 6, The Elephants and the Mice. The Elephants and the Mice. Page number 45. Page number 45. Keep the finger on the line. Long ago, there was a city. On one side of the city was a lake. Only mice lived there. They had fun and lived happily. On the other side of the city was a jungle. In the jungle lived a herd of elephants. They were ruled by a wise king and they too lived happily. One summer, it did not rain. The elephants were very thirsty. They decided to go to the lake. As the elephants rushed through the city, they did not see the small mice. They crushed them under their big feet. Many mice died and many got hurt. Turn your page, students. Page number 46. Let us go and talk to the king of the elephants. Maybe he can help, said a wise mouse. 3 mice were sent to the elephant king. They bowed before him. One mouse said, "O king, we come from the city near the lake. While you and your friends were passing through our city, many of us were killed. Sir, will you be kind enough to choose another path next time?" The king was sorry to hear that so many mice has died. It won't happen again, he promised. Thank you, sir. We are small, but we may be able to help you someday, said the mice. After many days, some trappers came to catch elephants. They dug pits and covered them with branches. When the elephants passed over the pits, they fell into them. The trappers came and pulled them out and tied them to trees. Then they went away to tell their leader. The elephant king remembered the mice. The queen took the king's message to the mice. Many elephants have been caught by trappers. Can you help us? Of course we will help you, the mice said. They came running to where the elephants were tied up. They bit the thick ropes and cut them with their sharp teeth. Soon the elephants were free. The big elephants and the tiny mice became friends. So students, this is the story of elephants and the mice. You have seen how both became friends at the end of the story and how both were useful for one another. The elephants are very big animal. You can see in the picture, in the real life also you can see elephants. So this is a story of elephants and the mice. Years back there was a city where there was mice and elephants. The mice were living on one side of the lake and the elephants on the other side. That was a jungle. You know all the wild animals lives in the jungle. Student, herd means group of elephants, and lake is a stream of water. Both the elephants and the mice were living very happily at their places. One summer, when it was not raining, it was too hot. The elephants were very thirsty, so they decided to go to the lake on the other side. As they were crossing, rushed means to move fast. As they were going to the other side, crossing the city, they did not see the small mice. They crushed means pressed them under their big feet. They crushed the small mice under their big feet, and many of the mice died and many got hurt. You know, mice are small thing. So my students, most of the mice were killed. Then they decided to go to the king of the elephants and ask his help. 3 mice went to the king, and very respectfully they bowed their head and said to the king, "O king, we come from the city near the lake. While you and your friends were passing through our city, many of us were killed." So students, they told the elephant king that while they were passing through the city, many of them were killed. So it's better to choose another path. Another path means another way for the next time. The king felt very bad to hear this thing, and he promised them that such thing won't happen again. The mice said, "Thank you, sir. Though we are small, we may be helpful to you. If you need our help, you can approach us." After many days, some trappers came to catch the elephants. Trappers who were catching the elephants. They came to the jungle and they dug the pits and covered them with the branches. So elephants were not able to see those pits, and they fall down into the pits. Here Elephant King remembered the mice. He told the queen to take my king's message to the mice, and the queen went there and told, "Many elephants have been caught by the trappers. Can you help us?" The mice said, "Of course we will help you." And they came running to help the elephants where they were tied up. They cut the thick ropes with their sharp teeth, and soon the elephants were free from that. Free from the trap, and this is how both the big elephants and the small mice became best friends, and they were helpful for one another. So students, we should be always helpful to one another. We should not think he is small or big, but we should help the person when he needs you. Students, now we will do comprehension part of page number 47. Comprehension part of page number 47. Let's start with part A. Fill in the blanks with the words from the brackets. In the bracket, 2 options have been given to you. You have to select the correct one and fill it in the space given. A herd of dash. In the bracket, it is ants and elephants. Lived in the jungle. Who lived in the jungle? Elephants. ELEPHANTS, elephants. Number 2, the king was. In the bracket, it is sorry or happy to hear about the mice. What was king? King was sorry when he heard that so many mice were killed. So we will tick the correct word, sorry, and write in the blank SORRY, sorry. Next is number 3. The dash in the bracket, it is trappers or queen, took the king's message to the mice. Who took the king's message? It was queen. Queen. Put a tick over queen and write in the blank queen. 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 Number 4, the mice and the elephant became, in the bracket, friends, enemies. The correct word is friends. The mice and the elephants became friends. So students, check your answers. First is elephant, second is sorry, third is queen, and last one is friends. Part B, who said these words? Write their names on the blanks. Number 1, let's go and talk to the king of the elephants. Who said this? A wise mouse. A wise mouse. W-I-S-E, wise, M-O-U-S-E, mouse. Number 2, it won't happen again. Who said this? King elephant. K capital, K-I-N-G, king, E-L-E-P-H-A-N-T, elephant, full stop. Number 3, many elephants have been caught by trappers. Who said this? Who took the message? Queen. Q-U-E-E-N. Full stop. At the end of the word, don't forget to put the full stop. So check your answer once again. Let's go and talk to the king of the elephants, a wise mouse. 2, it won't happen again. King elephant. Number 3, many elephants have been caught by trappers. Queen. Part C, answer these questions. Students, part C, answer these questions. We will do it in our English 2 notebooks. English 2 notebooks. Page number 47. Lesson number 6 on the first line. On the second line, write the name of the chapter, the elephants and the mice. Part C on the third line, and next line, answer these questions. Question 1. Why did the elephant go to the lake? Answer is, the elephants went to the lake as they were thirsty. Thirsty. Full stop. Thirsty. Full stop. Question 2. Why did the mice hold a meeting? Answer is, the mice held a meeting to seek help from the elephant king. To seek help from the elephant king. Number 3. Who caught the elephants? Who caught the elephants? Answer is, the trappers caught the elephants. Full stop. The trappers. T-R-A-P-P-E-R-S. Trappers caught the elephants. Full stop. Question 4. How did the mice help the elephants? How did the mice help the elephants? Answer is, the mice helped the elephants by cutting the thick ropes with their sharp teeth. The mice helped the elephants by cutting the thick ropes with their sharp teeth. Full stop. Part D, fill in the blanks using the picture clue. Students, pictures have been given to us. We will see the picture and fill the blanks. As slow as a, this picture is of snail. So as slow as a snail. S-N-A-I-L, snail. S-N-A-I-L, snail. Second is as pretty as a, this picture is again of flower. F-L-O-W-E-R, flower. As pretty as a flower. Full stop. Number 3, as green as grass. G-R-A-S-S, grass. As green as grass. Children, we can see the picture of the grass. Next picture is of milk. Sentences. Number 4, as white as milk. As white as milk. M-I-L-K, milk. Last one. Look at the picture. The picture is of bee. Number 5 sentence, as busy as a bee. B-E-E, I'll repeat the sentence once again. As slow as a snail, as pretty as a flower, as green as grass, as white as milk, as busy as a bee. Now part E, fill in the blanks with the correct words from the box. Fill in the blanks with the correct words from the box. Here in the box some words have been given to you like sun, sun. Here, here. One, one. Nose, nose. Similar sounds are there, but the spellings are different. Number 1, an elephant has a long nose. Ela knows the answer. First, N-O-S-E, knows. Ela knows, K-N-O-W-S, knows the answer. Number 2, the gardener gave one plant to each child. The gardener gave one plant to each child. Our team won the match. In first, O-N-E won. In second, it is W-O-N, won. Number 3, Rohan is the son of Mr. and Mrs. Patnaik. The sun is shining in the sky. First, S-O-N, sun, and second, it is S-U-N, sun. Number 4, Vimla has long hair, H-A-I-R, hair, H-A-I-R. In second, it is, have you read the story of the hare and the tortoise? Part F, name these words. All the words end with the letter I-C-E. The last letter will be I-C-E. Number 1, 3 times. The word is thrice, T-H-R-I-C-E, thrice. Second, plural of mouse is mice, M-I-C-E. Again, the ending word is I-C-E. That which is good, nice, N-I-C-E, N-I-C-E. Again, the last word is I-C-E. We play Ludo with the dice, D-I-C-E, dice. We play Ludo with the dice, D-I-C-E, dice. The last word is again I-C-E. So check your answers. First is thrice, second is mice, number 3 it is nice, and last it is dice. Children, with this we have completed our lesson. And you all must be remembering Grammar Fun is part of English 1. We will do it in our English 1 syllabus. Thank you, students.